Hello, in front of me I've got Clair Obscur. In this video I'll show you how to increase Lumina points. In the beginning, go to menu and go to your character. Right here we've got Luminas. Here we've got maximum cap of the Lumina we can use. And here is the amount of available Lumina points. To increase them, go to the camp, find creator, and upgrade expedition resources. Find in the world map color of Lumina and then use it to add Lumina points. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.